This is Insock, it is useless to resistance. Go and blow around me, and I can't help but think of you. All the things we wanted, all the things we had to do. Working for the aerospace industry, secret papers signed, your whispers surround me. But it's only in my mind, cause I'm walking away from things in my own past. Running away from direct energy wasn't last. And I'm thinking in an electro-magnetic field, in a crowd that moves so fast. One thing to remember is that I have feelings too. Hot, steamy night alone, like a remote view for you. Cold brittle morning, in the UFO you knew. Now when you finally call me, default load you close your moves in the shadows. Information society, touch currency, touch time loops, touch synergy. Ancient sudden move, kick out the jams. Those days and nights you caged me in your zoo. They must not have meant very much to you. Just when your crew abducted me, my cries fell on deaf ears. You knew. Now I'm running so hard inside my mind. We're running so fast. I'm telling you, I wanna know what you're thinking. There are some things you can't hide. Psychically, I'm already inside. What you're feeling? Time to control your mind. Control your mind. Control your mind. Control your mind.
Pure energy in every revolution. There is one man with a mission.
Pure energy, cooperating star. Here I am in silence, looking around without a clue. I find myself alone again, all alone with you. I can see behind your eyes the things that I don't know. What you think you have hidden, to the world I will show. I know I could break you down, but what good will it do? I can surely never know that what you think is true. Here I am in silence, it's a game I have to play. You and I in silence, with nothing else to say. With pure energy